from the Campus Life Office and Department, I'd like to thank personally Ma'am Mariel Arellana. Allowing us to bring the Nazareno here in our chapel. Of course, with the permission of and approval of our University President, Mr. Marco Benitez. From the Human Resources and Management, maraming salamat po, Sir Jojo. Thank you very much. From the School of Arts and Sciences, andito po ba si Ma'am Mirales? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, this event, the visitation of the Black Nazarene in our community is a way for us to be ready for the coming Holy Week. And we thank most especially Reverend Father Daniel Coronel, Honor. Thank you for reminding us that we have Jesus. When our crosses are becoming too heavy, you're not alone. Carry it. You are not alone. You have Jesus. It's not a sign of weakness to ask for help. The chapel is here. Please come. If you need to cry, if you need to say something, if you need to question and ask God, the chapel is here. I know students nowadays are carrying heavy crosses. You're not alone to carry it. Jesus is here. And the Black Nazarene is an image to remind us that we have Jesus. Huwag kayong mahiya. Marami thinking of killing themselves, ending their lives because of the too heavy and burden that they are carrying. You're not alone. The Black Nazarene is here to help you. Cry with Jesus. Talk to Jesus. And Jesus will help you carry your crosses. Nanay Ising, maraming salamat. Nanay Ising is a devotee of the Black Nazarene who lends this image to community who wants to feel the Nazareno. Kaya maraming salamat, Nanay Ising. And hopefully this will not be the first time. No, we will hopefully do this yearly, especially during Holy Week. We need to feel the presence of Jesus in our lives so that we could surpass all the crosses that we need to carry. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. For all the students who are here, all the staffs that are present here, after the Mass, we have a little salo-salo po. Pagdamutan niyo na po yung pinanda namin pagkain. We have Jollibee food for everyone. No? Sorry kung nagutom kayo, we will feed you after our Mass. Thank you very much.